This video shows how Blackbird's data platform is used to analyze drilling permits, rigs, and DUCs data. Our second report is used to analyze well production data, and our feature report has 10 forecast scenarios by county. Users get to this data platform through a link on the login page of blackbirdbi.com. We'll click on this report to analyze permits, rigs, and DUCs. Since validating the data is a crucial first step, we'll go straight to the intro page. The orange line in the left graph is the count of Blackbird's drilling rigs in this report. The data is collected and allocated by our friends at Well Database, and this visual shows that it lines up very close to Baker Hughes. We can see zero variance on average for Permian. Let's arrow down and click on a couple counties to quickly validate rigs data in this report. DUCs are wells that are drilled but uncompleted, and the purple graph and table compare our DUCs count to the EIA Drilling Productivity Report. The EIA DPR report is by region, so that's as granular as we can validate DUCs data. DUCs since July line up pretty good by region, so let's go to the DUCs 1 page and look for trends. We use this filter box to help users clearly distinguish incomplete history. The incomplete history is still available on all these pages, but is unselected by default as a handy safeguard. Let's arrow down on this table to look at subbasins. We can see that Delaware has the most DUCs and that DUCs spiked higher this week. I'll click on Delaware and we can quickly find EOG as the main driver of this recent spike. We can click on EOG and see they didn't increase DUCs in other areas this week, just the Delaware. Click on any blank part of the screen to release what you clicked on. Hold Control and click multiple selections to quickly analyze areas together or against each other. Looks like Delaware and Midland DUCs are still generally heading lower, but it might be finally starting to flatten out. These other categories can be analyzed the same way, including drilling permits, rigs, completed wells not producing, disposal wells, and we even have these 2 well starts pages from our well production data Power BI report. We also brought over the initial production rates because that's an important factor driving all this activity with permits, rigs, and DUCs. All page 2s analyze the same data other ways, like by status, play, formation, and field. This detailed tables page helps users quickly see the individual wells that compose these trends. All the important attributes can be found here and easily downloaded to Excel. The summary page puts the data in context and ties it all together. We can set a filter to Midland Subbasin and quickly see that while DUC inventory is declining, permits and rigs are on the rise.